Hi everyone, in this we will learn how to detect the first occurrence of logic 1 in a serial input stream. The requirement is simple. Once the first one appears in the input stream, the output should become 1 and remain 1 continuously for the rest of the stream, irrespective of future input values. Let's see how this can be implemented using a simple circuit consisting of an OR gate and a D flip-flop. As shown in the circuit, we have an OR gate and a D flip-flop with reset. The input stream is connected to one input of the OR gate, while the output of the flip-flop is feedback to the second input of the OR gate. The output of the OR gate drives the D input of the flip-flop. The flip-flop output Q also serves as the final output of the circuit. Before operation begins, the flip-flop is reset, so its output is initialized to 0. Now let's understand the operation of the circuit step by step. After reset, the flip-flop output Q is 0. If the incoming stream bit is also 0, then both inputs to the OR gate are 0, therefore the OR gate output is 0. As long as the input stream continues to provide 0, the output remains 0. Now suppose the input stream becomes 1 for the first time. At this instant, one input to the OR gate is 1, while the feedback from the flip-flop is still 0. Consequently, the OR gate output becomes 1, and on the next clock edge, the flip-flop stores this value. This marks the detection of the first occurrence of logic 1. Once the flip-flop output becomes 1, this value is feedback to the OR gate. Now, regardless of whether future input bit are 0 or 1, the input of the OR gate always remains 1 because of the feedback path. As a result, the flip-flop continue to store 1 and the output remain permanently at 1. Therefore, by using a simple feedback mechanism through an OR gate and a flip-flop, we can successfully detect the first occurrence of logic 1 in an input stream. And once detected, the circuit remembers this event and keeps the output asserted for all subsequent clock cycle. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.